pag-usapan nila ay hindi po natin masasabi.
Okay, but clearly yesterday, Yusek, mainit po na usapin yung change of leadership in Congress. So I wonder if the President gave his blessings na mapalitan yung head ng Congress, considering that Congressman Toby Chanco himself said that although co-equal body, they respect the President, so they need to discuss the issue with the President.
Sa ngayon ay wala po tayong masasabi at hindi pa naman po yata nagre-resign si Speaker Romualdez. So tingnan na lamang po natin kung anong susunod na magaganap.
Last na lang po, ma'am. What does Malacanang think about the possible change of leadership in Congress? How will this help when it comes to preserving the integrity of the institution or the government as a whole, considering po na na-link din si Congressman Romualdez sa issue ng flood control projects, although not directly, but he was mentioned.
If ever man po na mag-resign si Speaker Romualdez, at ito po ay para maging malaya ang pag-iimbestiga, lalo pat nababanggit nga ang kanyang pangalan. Magiging maayos po ito at makatanggap-tanggap kung ang kanyang dahilan po ay para maging maisalba rin po ang integridad ng institusyon at para nga sa isang malayang pag-iimbestiga.